What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Chiranjeevi and I hope you guys are smiling. If yes, then keep smiling. If no, then start smiling. So आप लोगों ने description तो देखा ही होगा that what this video is going to be about. So let me just give you a background about it. From the time I started using GoPro, I was facing this problem with the GoPro batteries to charge them. If I have to charge my GoPro's battery, I have to insert the batteries into the GoPro and then charge my GoPro. But during that time you cannot use your GoPro, correct? And that time maybe you have something which you want to shoot but you have to wait. And I did not have an external charger of GoPro. The original charger of GoPro was quite expensive and I didn't want to invest that much as of now. So I came across this product from Yantralay, and Yantralay of course is the product which makes the helmet mounts as well for our GoPro. The brand was trustworthy, so I went ahead and I read the reviews of the product and I checked with few of my friends as well, and I got positive reviews. So I thought let's give it a try, and if everything works fine I will share it with you guys as well how it is. So this is how the box looks. This is not an unboxing video. I would just open the box and show you guys what comes inside. So without wasting any more time, let's get to it.
So this is how the box looks. The box is quite nice and decent. It has branding of Yantralay in the front. So Yantralay is the same company which makes the mounts for our helmet, as I said earlier. So the brand was trustworthy. So now let's go ahead and let's open the box. So inside the box we have one more box where our charger is, and along with that we get the stickers from Yantralay. So let's open this box now. So inside the box we get a USB-C type cable along with our charger and the instruction manual. So let's keep this aside and I will show you guys how the cable looks. So the cable is around 2 feet long, which is not that long but gets the work done. Then the charger is so nice and compact, you can easily put it inside your bag and travel around. And the feel and the build of this box is also quite nice. It has a smooth finish and the texture is also quite smooth. At the back they have instructions what is this charger for. Like the charger is for GoPro 5, 6, 7 and 8. At the back they have the USB-C type port and the light. In the front they have 3 lights for the batteries. The back light would come on when we connect the charger. The front light would come on when we insert the batteries. So if the batteries are 100% charged, the lights would be green, or else the lights would be red. So now let's try to put the batteries inside. Let me show you how. So this is how the battery goes. Do not try to push the batteries too much inside. This is how it goes. Does not go more than that. And on the top we have a cushion kind of a thing which pushes the battery inside and keeps it intact. So now let's close it and I will try to connect my Samsung fast charger now. So as soon as we connect the charger, the light comes on, right? And in the front, the lights are green right now because I have charged my batteries using this charger itself and they are 100% charged. And you know the best thing is, it automatically stops overcharging once the batteries are 100% charged. So now I've disconnected the charger and let's try to connect it using my power bank. So this is just a normal power bank. Just try to match the specifications of your power bank with the specifications mentioned at the back and connect it. So now let me power it on. And there you go. It works with power bank as well. Isn't that cool? So you know this becomes very nice and efficient way of charging your batteries because you can carry your power bank along with your charger and you can charge the rest of your batteries while you are using one battery with your GoPro.
So if you guys are still watching this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So I would really suggest this product to everyone whose budget is low and who do not want to spend so much on the original GoPro charger, as this product is fantastic. And the most important thing is GoPro 8 charger can charge only 2 batteries at a time, wherein this can charge 3 batteries. Also the GoPro charger costs you around 4,500, wherein this comes in only for 800 rupees. So you see the difference. Also you can use this charger as a storage box for your battery. So you can definitely try this if you have budget constraints, and this product is really helpful. It really helped me. I'm using this from past some time now, and I would give you a positive thumbs up. So well, that's about it. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like the video, share it with your friends and family. It is possible that it can help them as well. and subscribe to my channel, as that will encourage me to make more videos and we'll grow together as a family. So that's it for today. Do take care of yourselves, ride safely, responsibly, always wear your helmet and follow all the traffic rules. Till then, bye bye.